Good afternoon and welcome back to another video today. Today's video is changing the battery on a Toyota keyless entry fob. This is for my 2009 Toyota IQ. However, this is very similar on a lot of Toyota keyless models, so hopefully this can be helpful. So basically the symptoms I'm having is my fob is not working at all. It's got keyless entry and it's not working when I walk up to the car, and even if I can get into the car with other fob, this specific one will not start the car at all. The key flashing sign will be on the dashboard, and that is normally a sign that your battery is flat on that. The fob looks like this, or very similar to this. If any of yours has that look about it, then this video will hopefully be helpful for you. You can normally tell as well with a flat battery, there's a very small wee dot here at the top, normally on most fobs. And if that isn't flashing, then that will be a sign that your battery is not working. So firstly, we are going to have a look on the side of the key here, and it says push with a key sign here, and if you push that in, you'll be able to pull this bottom bit here. It almost pops out, and that is actually the key there, the kind of master key that you obviously don't normally need because it's keyless. And that in turn can then be used. If you look here just down the side where you removed the key, there is a wee slot here. If you pop the top of the key in there and then just slightly twist it, so I've put the key in here, just in that slot there. If you slightly twist this, the case will open up. You can leave the key down there and the case will open. So no tools required really, just the key that it comes with. And when you open it up, you'll see this is what you'll be greeted with. You'll see the kind of transponder there, which we don't need to do anything with, and the battery. So the battery for these is a CR1632. I bought two new ones, one from other one as well, just thought I'd replace that. That's the new one here, and if you're unsure about that, you can always just double check on the actual battery there, so you can see CR1632, and we can hopefully just flip this out fairly easily. So the old one out there, we can leave that there. You can compare that with the new one as well, just to double check you've got the right one. And we can slip in the new one here. There is some clips that kind of hold the battery down. So if you slip it in from this end, which is the bottom end, away from where the buttons are, if you slip that in, it should slip into where the wee ridges are there, and press firmly down on that, and that keeps it secure. You'll see the wee tabs there, just where my fingernail is. That just keeps the battery nice and tight in there. And we then put the case back together, so you'll be able to tell by the round bit on the case here where that is situated with the battery. And this should just clip together fairly easy. Might be a wee bit fiddly, but line everything up. Typically not going as well when I'm doing a video, but that's fine. That's what you guys will experience as well sometimes. So line everything up and push with a wee bit of firmness to get it all back together. And then we can take this key part here and slip it back in the side here. I'll push in, you'll get a wee clip from that, and that should be you. Your battery should be absolutely fine. As you'll see here, you can see the wee red button lighting up, so that's a good sign that changing the battery has been successful and everything should be working. So that should be, if you have the keyless entry, as you walk up to the car and go to present your hand to the door, it should automatically unlock without you having to take the key out. And also when you're in the car, you leave the key in your pocket or bag and just press your start button and it should open. So that was that. Hopefully that was helpful. As I say, there is the battery we'll need again, a CR1632, and that should work for most Toyota keyless models. Mine is a Toyota IQ on a 59 plate, so 2009, but it should be the same for most. If your fob resembles this, it should be a very similar process here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everyone that comments on the videos and who subscribes. I do appreciate that, and please do so if you haven't. It does help, and hopefully see you on the next one. Thank you.